Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm excited to bring to you another Saturday showcase. So if you're watching this on Saturday, happy Saturday. So today what I wanted to give you a nice up-close look at is the flowering cactus product medley. So this medley is from the mini catalog, the January through June 2021 mini catalog. And you can find it in the very front of your catalog right here on pages 8 and 9. I loved it when I saw it. When I first saw it, I didn't even pay attention to the title of it. It looked like succulents to me, and that's why I bought it. And then I went back and looked at the catalog later, and I was like, these are cactus. This is not succulents, but I still really love it. Anyways, I still really love it, so I'm excited to open this up and give you a nice up-close look at what comes in this medley. Also, I'm filming this Saturday morning. My little man is still asleep. I'm hoping I can squeeze 30 minutes out before he wakes up from this nap. Anyways, and I've got my coffee here in my favorite Prince Purple Rain mug, so it is a good morning. Okay, so I got the box opened, and this is how everything comes packaged. So you've got the bits and pieces for the medley in this bag, and then you've got, here is the flowering cactus stamp set. So this is a photopolymer stamp set, so you can see. I always love the smell of photopolymer. It smells so good to me. I don't know if you smell your stamps, but I do. So here's the stamp set. You've got some great sentiments. I love how our friendship has grown. You are a rare find, my dear friend. Life can get kind of prickly. Oh, that's cute. Happy looks good on you. I'm always here for you. Hope your birthday is filled with beautiful things. And then some really great images. I love these two. Okay, so that's the stamp set. Then you've got the coordinating dies. So these are called the flowering cactus dies. Sometimes the name of the dies is different from the stamp set. So let's check out the dies. Okay, so here are the dies. So, oh, this is good. So I can see you can cut out this little guy, and you can cut out this guy, and oh, it looks like you can cut out all of these tiny little bits too. Great. So I love when there's a die for everything. And then you also get this other little cactus piece there that there's no image for, but that you can die cut. Cool beans. So let's just put these back, and then you've got this little, I guess it's like a little border piece. Now I can never put oh, I do not remember how this was. I'm gonna have to go back and watch the video back to see where this piece was. I never remember where I get things from. Okay, well, I'll get that back on later. Okay, so we've got some linen thread here. So this is Calypso Coral, and this is just our regular linen thread. So I'll let you see this up close. I don't know how much you get of these two colors, and it doesn't say in the catalog, but I love linen thread. It's so neutral. You can put it on literally anything. And then the pretty Calypso Coral. So hopefully you can see the texture on the thread. Okay, then we have some felt sheets here. So these are die cut felt sheets. You get 4 each of 2 colors. So these four are Calypso Coral, and then these 4 are Highland Heather. So let me show you the Calypso Coral. So these are interesting, huh? So you can see the texture on these, and you can see the stitching. There's some stitching on these. So let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, so this is like a little flower. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this out so you can kind of see. This one is a little flower. Let's see what else we've got. Okay, more little flowers. You can pop these all the way out. More flowers. More flowers. Let's see what else. Another shape of flower. 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 So you can kind of see. I don't know what that is. Not sure what that is. So you can see they just kind of pop up all different little pieces here. Smaller ones, There's some really tiny ones. Okay, that's cool. And then I guess these are the exact same shapes, just in Highland Heather. So you can see you can just pop these out, and you could probably add these on with glue dots, liquid glue, dimensionals. Okay, so there's that. And then let's look at the designer paper. So in the designer paper, you get 48 6x6 sheets. So let's just see what the patterns are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you've got 8 of this pattern, just so you can see the front and the back. So you've got 8 of that. Oh, I thought these were stickers in the catalog. Okay, so this is designer series paper, and you can see here the dies will coordinate and cut these out. So you could just die cut these right out of here. So that's always fun when your dies can cut things out of the designer paper. I always like that. Okay, so you can die cut those out, and again, you've got 8 sheets of this. So you could make a ton of cards. And then here's the back of this one. So 8 of these. Here's the next pattern. Again, you've got 8 of this pattern. Oh my goodness, I love this back. This is really pretty. I love that. So the coordinating colors in this collection are Calypso Coral, Highland Heather, Mint Macaron, Mossy Meadow, Pear Pizzazz, and White. I love that pattern. That's really pretty. Okay, let's see. Okay, here's this one. Oh my gosh, my mom would love this. I should make her a set of cards with this. Purple is her favorite color. I should make her some note cards or something with that. She would love that. And then here's the back. Oh, this is cute. The little cactus. Very cute. So again, 8 of these. I like this pattern too. This is cute. I love how this cactus is kind of shaped like a heart. So cute. So you've got 8 of this pattern. I don't know how Stampin' Up! Comes up with their color combinations on the designer paper, but gosh, they do such a great job. And then here's the back of that one. Okay. And then here's the last one. So 8 of these. This is pretty. Calypso Coral is such a nice color. And then here's the back of that one. Okay. So the beauty of the product medleys, the great thing about them is you just get a collection of product. With the collection, you can do whatever you want. So you can create whatever your heart desires. You can mix and match all of this together however you'd like. And then I love how the catalog just gives you kind of some ideas of what you could create. You know, you can use these as jumping off points. I mean, look at this cute little banner that you can create. So it's just open to your personal creativity. There's no set project that you can create with it. You know, you can do anything with it. So I absolutely love that about the medleys. So that is a nice up close view, you guys, of the Flowering Cactus product medley. So I hope you've enjoyed this Saturday showcase, and I'm looking forward to jumping into this collection and seeing what I can come up with and what I can create. So I hope to bring you a project featuring this collection very soon. So thank you so much for joining me, you guys. Again, I hope that you enjoyed, and I'll be back again very soon with another tutorial. Have a great day. Bye now.